Who are you going to call, Ben?
Grandma Sue.
Okay,
Grandma Sue.
call her out.
Hello?
Who is it?
It's Grandma Sue!
Oh, what are you going to tell her you did today?
I went to daycare and I went to daycare and I played downstairs. Hi, hello. Bye-bye.
Oh, don't forget to tell her about the helicopter.
Oh. No. Dinosaur.